before we begin our meditation, just make sure that for the next 10 minutes, you give yourself permission to have this time. Light a candle, get comfortable, and make sure that you're not going to be disturbed. Start by bringing your attention to the top of your head, relaxing the muscles of your scalp. Move your awareness down to your face, softening your jaw, your cheeks, and your forehead. Let any tension melt away. Now shift your attention to your neck and shoulders, releasing any tightness. Feel a sense of ease flowing down your arms, into your hands, and out through your fingertips. Move through your chest, noticing the gentle rise and fall with each breath. Down to your belly, hips, thighs, knees, and calves. Finally bringing your attention to your feet. Grounding your body into the earth. Now once you feel connected to your body, let's focus on your breath to bring energy and clarity to your mind. Taking a nice big inhale for a count of 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. Now repeat this rhythm at your own pace for the next few moments. With each inhale, imagine fresh, vibrant energy entering your body. With each exhale, release any lingering sleepiness or tension. Now take a moment to reflect. What is one thing you choose to focus on or feel today? Maybe it's calm, maybe it's productivity or joy. Whatever it is, bring it to your mind now. And silently repeat your intention to yourself. Today I choose. Repeating that once more. Feel it to begin to resonate within you. Now imagine a warm golden light glowing at the center of your chest. With each breath, see this light expanding, radiating outward to fill your entire body with warmth, energy, and vitality. Feel this light spreading into your arms, legs, and mind, clearing away any heaviness and replacing it with vibrant energy. And as we come to the end of this meditation, take one more deep breath in, filling yourself with energy and positivity. And when you exhale, feeling ready for the day ahead. Just one more of those. As you inhale, you're filling yourself with energy and positivity. And as you exhale, you're feeling ready for the day ahead. Just taking a moment of gratitude. Thank yourself for taking time to connect with your breath, your body, and your intention. And thank you for allowing me to guide you through your meditation this morning. I invite you to carry this sense of energy and peace with you throughout your day. And we end with the affirmation, I am energized, I am capable, and I am ready for this day. I am energized, I am capable, I am ready for this day.